Now let's continue understanding master Snowflake data engineering. In this, let's understand prerequisites for Snowflake data engineering. Snowflake data engineering team. Okay. So here, minimum knowledge, basic of computer knowledge and SQL knowledge and uh, core Python. Minimum core Python knowledge is required, and then any cloud knowledge is required. Let me explain. First one, uh, Snowflake team. Let's say you created a Snowflake account with any one of backend cloud. It may be AWS, it may be AWS, it may be Azure, Azure, it may be GCP team. Let's say you created Snowflake account by selecting backend cloud. Now let's understand. See, to interact with this Snowflake, you need minimum knowledge of SQL. So we are going to write SQL commands to interact with the Snowflake for creating table, loading the data, and any other activity. And next one, you need you need any cloud knowledge, any cloud fundamental knowledge for Snowflake data engineering. Why it require Snowflake any cloud knowledge? Let's say you are moving data from AWS to S3. You are loading or you are ingesting AWS 3 data. So let's say you need AWS S3 knowledge. How files are created, what is bucket, how files are loaded, how to read the data. These things you need. And again, you need knowledge of EC2 service. Let's say you are getting data into Linux operating system. You need how to create a EC2 mission and how to install Linux operating system. Then in that we are going to install SnowSQL. Using SnowSQL, we are going to install SnowSQL in this Linux mission. And then we are going to use data ingestion logics, data ingestion techniques to connect S3 and to use SnowSQL concept to ingest data into Snowflake. For this, you need knowledge of S3, you need knowledge of EC2. And one more important point, if you want to access any service in AWS, you need one more service called AWS IAM. Next important service is AWS IAM team. To access any service, you need IAM role. So we are going to discuss how to create user, how to create role, how to create policy, and these important knowledge is required for Snowflake data engineer. We are going to discuss those concepts. And next one, we are going to implement Snowpark for implementing ETL operations. Snowpark, we are going to write in using Python language. Snowpark supports three languages. One is Java, and other one is Python, and other is Scala language. We are going to implement using Python. That's why you need minimum knowledge of Python. So as part of this course, we are going to cover SQL. we are going to cover Python, we are going to cover AWS fundamentals knowledge. So these prerequisites are required for learning Snowflake data engineering team. Clear, right, team? What are prerequisites required for Snowflake data engineer? As part of our course, we are covering these prerequisites also.